Hey guys, hope you are doing well. So volatility is going on. So nothing new. We have seen a huge drop today. Bitcoin went below 40,000 and then pump right after to 42,000. So volatility is out there. My name is Mike Dankler from CorionX, and I'm bringing you the most important crypto news, technical analysis, altcoin, NFT, DeFi gems to keep you updated and educated. I should state that nothing in this video can be considered as a financial or investment advice. Everything just for your education and also for entertainment purposes only. So also check out this in the description. So always do your own research and don't take anything from YouTube and from Twitter. Do your own research. So guys, smash those like, push the bell notification on, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Let's let's share my screen and let's go and check our favorite bubble chart. As you see, most of the altcoins are in red. Yesterday, most of the altcoins were in green. So just near protocol is up and SafeMoon is up. Almost all other coins are down 5 and 10%. Bitcoin is down 1.7%, traded around 41,400. Ethereum is traded around 3,000 US dollar and down 4.5%. Binance coin down 5%. As you see, most coins down, maybe just Near Protocol and maybe Cosmos Atom is doing some nice movement. So guys, let's check the crypto fear and greed index. Yes, so the index is at 23. Yesterday it was at 10. So yesterday that was an extreme fear on the market. That is why Bitcoin dipped really low, but just let me refresh. Okay, so the day before yesterday was at 10, and today we are at 23. But I think after 5 hours it will be refreshed. So I think it will go below 20. So this is my guess. And guys, the index spent almost the past 1.5 months in the extreme fear territory and also went down as low as 10. And if we are looking back, just during the summer dump went so deep and touched 4 or 5 times the 10. And guys, when investors are so fearful that it's always a good buying opportunity as the prices are going down, then investors are getting greedy, but that's due for a correction. And also there is a saying for Warren Buffett that be greedy when others are fearful and be fearful when others are greedy. So now others are fearful. Let's try to be greedy a little bit. I don't say that Bitcoin and crypto will not go deeper, but I'm saying that these tips used to provide nice buying opportunities. Okay, I first news today. Bitcoin briefly tumbles below 40,000 to the lowest since September as investors shed risk. Okay, also investors not just on in the crypto market, but also on the stock market and uh, other commodity market just selling because they fear from this corona Omicron cases increasing and the Fed decision, the inflation data that will come in on the Wednesday. So a lot of fear that investors find why they should be fearful. We have seen Bitcoin behave like a risk asset on numerous occasions over the past few months. Yes, so we cannot argue with this. The market dynamic of Bitcoin has changed a lot in the last 2 years, he said. It went from being largely, crypto native. Now it's really just trades as a 24 per 7 leveraged VIX. Crypto stocks also fell Monday, like Square, MicroStrategy, Coinbase. Cool. Last week, Goldman Sachs said It sees Bitcoin taking market share from gold and potentially climbing to 100,000 US dollar. Okay, guys, so it's hard to believe, but someday it will happen that Bitcoin will visit 100,000 US dollar. Okay, let's go to our next news. Most bullish macro backdrop in 75 years. 5 things to watch in Bitcoin this week. Short-term volatility out there, 40,700 hold. It didn't. Okay, weekly close is just around the corner. Wrapped capital summarized alongside the chart. Theoretically, there is a chance that BTC could perform a weekly close above 43,200 to enjoy a green week next week. Weekly close under 43,200. However, BTC could revisit the red area below. So BTC was not able to close above these levels, so that they are signaling that BTC can revisit these levels. These levels are around 39,000 US dollar. Okay, consensus forms over dire outlook for cash. Easy money. Okay. To me, this presents the setup for a severe washout as the pernicious effects of rising interest rates on future cash flows will likely prompt speculators and investors at the margin to dump or severely reduce their crypto holdings. I think this is from Arthur Hayes. Yes. And let's go forward. Don't fight the Fed, price both ways, up and down. If the Fed is too hawkish, then Houston, we have a problem. Yes. Booming economy supported by massive negative rates, Fed will never equalize rates with inflation. Stay long stocks and Bitcoin and Ethereum. Hold through short-term volatility. Real dollar cash savings will continue to lose value. So this is from Dan Tapiero, most bullish macro backdrop in 75 years, he said. And also here is a tweet from Charlie Bilello. Here's a look at the effective Fed funds rate and inflation rates when the unemployment rate was at 3.9% as it is today. So Fed funds rate and CPI and real Fed funds rate. And now we are here, so everything is zero. It is sustainable? No. RSI hits 2-year lows. So this is from Bitcoin Archive. Bitcoin RSI has been this low just 2 other times in the last 2 years. Looks like a bottom is near and bounced due. Let's see. So one of the lowest on the RSI was in May last year, and also the second lowest was in 2020 March in the COVID crash. Okay. And also you see RSI is in close to oversold territory. Hash rates recaps Kazakhstan losses. Bitcoin network difficulty turned back, going up forever. On-chain analyst Dylan Leclerc commented about the classic mantra. So this is the Bitcoin hash rate and just spiked, dropped back because Kazakhstan electricity outage and civil things, strikes and going on, and also Spain is happy to onboard miners from Kazakhstan. What if? However, we are, so this is on plan B. However, we are only halfway into the cycle 2020-2024, and although BTC experiences some turbulence at 1 trillion US dollar, the yellow gold cluster at stock to flow 60, 10 trillion US dollar. Small back dots are 29 to 2021 gold data. It's still the target in my opinion. Okay, so this should be the target and 10 trillion US dollar, what we are heading to, hopefully. And also from plan B, what if this cycle with the red will continue as he predicts here? Yeah, so we would really happy, but not sure for now. Especially Plan B's stop the flow model uh, failed for now. Back again, third largest Bitcoin whale swallows another 24 million US dollar worth of BTC during the dip. Okay, interesting. On January 4th, he added 372 bitcoins, and then he added 456 bitcoins and 172 coins and many other coins. So good to see that. But this is not MicroStrategy, the third largest whale, and has returned to buy another 551 BTC on an average at 45,000 US dollar. So why would this whale buying up coins if he would expect it will drop to 30? But maybe if it will drop to 30, he will buy more. It's the bottom in Bitcoin's RSI at lowest point since May 2021 crash. So this is from Bitcoin Archive. We already talked about that, the summer crash and the COVID crash in 2020. And these two were the most dips in RSI and the recent one. Cool. Next. Mike Novogratz says Bitcoin should bottom around 40,000, sees tremendous demand from institutional investors. Galaxy Digital CEO Mike Novogratz expects the price of Bitcoin to bottom at around 38 to 40,000 US dollar. I know big institutions who are going through their process to put positions on. They are going to see those attractive levels to buy, he said. We see a tremendous amount of institutional demand on the sidelines. I am not nervous in the medium term. I know big institutions who are going through their process to put positions on, and he expects Bitcoin to dip between 38,000 to 42,000. You will find a lot of support for Bitcoin around 38 to 42,000 US dollars. And the opportunity to buy, he made a similar statement in June when the price of BTC fell below the 30,000 US dollar levels. The ecosystem is so more mature now. The amount of players that are moving in are so much more mature, he explained. Yes, okay, yeah, I believe to Mike Novogratz, so let's see this happening. Is Bitcoin mimicking rise of Amazon? Macro guru Rob Paul compares cheap BTC to tech giant. So guys, we love macro guru Rob Paul. He's a former Goldman Sachs investment banker, and he tells to his followers that Amazon adhered to Metcalfe's law, which states that a network grows in value as the number of users on the network gets bigger. Paul highlights back in early 20s, Amazon was a highly volatile stock with drawdowns as deep as 50%. Back in 2003 to 2011, it looked like this. Almost, what's this? 80% pullback, 50% pullback, 20% pullback. What a volatile asset. 56% pullback in 2018. In the short term, 2010, Amazon looked like this. Okay, bear market, similar like Bitcoin during the summer. I suggest BTC might even possible test 30,000, but I doubt it. But who the hell knows? Nobody knows, guys. Nobody knows. Even me, and nobody knows. Just do your own research and trade accordingly. Use stop loss or just accumulate for a long term with dollar cost averaging. It is similar enough for context, but never rely on fractals. They are for context only. The BTC fractal is longer in time than Amazon and more volatile. In the end, it's all noise. The log chart is the true and that itself an approximation of Metcalfe's law. It isn't noise to you. Your position is too big for your time horizon. Yes. So based on Metcalfe's law, Bitcoin's value should be hovering around 100,000 US dollar, suggesting that BTC is tremendously undervalued. BTC is cheap versus Metcalfe's law and has been for a long time. My guess is because there is less network application on BTC currently than Metcalfe's law would prefer. Okay, Bitcoin price and GMI model Metcalfe's value. So Bitcoin should be somewhere around 100,000 US dollars. Okay, guys, I like this article. I leave it open. Okay, next piece of news. Disney patents technology for a theme park metaverse. So the multinational entertainment giant was approved for a virtual world simulator patent during the last week of December 2021. Okay, so guys, sorry for that. I just getting out from COVID. A virtual world simulator in a real world venue. We will able to connect the physical and digital worlds even more closely, allowing for storytelling without boundaries in our own Disney metaverse. These experiences are perennial and the engagement is inside and outside the parks. They are unique to you, but are also social and connected. They are constantly changing, so there is always something new to discover. So, guys, Disney is coming into the metaverse. Next piece of news is Binance CEO CZ is the richest crypto billionaire at 96 billion US dollar. Oh, according to Bloomberg. Nice. According to Bloomberg, CZ ranks 11th among the world's richest people. The world richest people, not just in crypto, the world richest people, as Binance retains its position as the biggest crypto exchange in terms of trading volume. CZ, the 44-year-old crypto entrepreneur, overtook Asia's richest billionaire, Mukesh Ambani, despite Bloomberg excluding his personal crypto holdings such as Bitcoin and exchanges in-house BNB tokens. So even in this was, Bitcoin and BNB is not included that he holds. Binance's growth trajectory signals a possibility of exceeding tech goliaths such as Meta's Mark Zuckerberg and Google's co-founders Larry Page and Sergey Brin. So guys, I met CZ when? In 2017. That was, yes, almost 4 years ago, or maybe, 4 years ago, more than 4 years ago in China. We were on the same conference. Also, I gave a presentation. And that time, CZ launched Binance. That's huge. So, the richest guys on the list: Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, Bernard Arnault, Bill Gates, Mark Zuckerberg, Larry Page, Sergey Brin from Google, Warren Buffett, Steve Ballmer, Larry Ellison, and CZ. Cool. And they are finalizing the acquisition of Skype, a prominent crypto Visa card provider that operates at over 70 million locations worldwide. That's good news for Skype. So guys, that was almost the news. I want to show you that you should definitely follow us on Twitter and also join our Telegram. You will find some nice posts here also on which changes can you trade, There was a question about the farms. You can farm CorionX on BSC and on Ethereum. Just come here and I will show you where are the farms. So we have the farm on Ethereum. If you have the ERC20 version of CorionX, you can earn up to 330% APR. So this is an annual reward that you get. If you are holding CorionX on BSC, BSC blockchain, that you can earn up to 100%, but we will adjust the APRs this week. So guys, let's get back and join our Telegram and also follow us on Twitter, and let's go and check some charts. So this is Bitcoin on the daily chart, still in the downtrend, and this 40,000 levels, 40,500 holding for now, but this is a crucial support because that was the level a year ago in January that Bitcoin stopped, and also several touching points you see on this chart. Also, that was a resistance in June, in July, and then just broke, and that was a support in September. And this is why this is crucial. If these levels will broke and Bitcoin will close a daily candle below 40,000, then the next level to watch is 46,000, 36,000, and 30,000. If Bitcoin will bounce somewhere here, we have it has to break this trend line and also revisit 46,000. This is the first target before getting bullish anything. So we'll see it will happen or not. Now, this is hard to expect. Just Atom is doing well. So Atom consolidating, and Atom is trying to make a new all-time high. We'll see it will succeed to make a new all-time high. Most of the other coins are in red, and Bitcoin shorts started to increase, so it's not a good news. Many people shorting Bitcoin, so short positions increasing. Bitcoin dominance is around, it's back about 40, so now we are at 41. So altcoins dropping harder than Bitcoin. And let's check Ethereum. So Ethereum is traded about 3,000 US dollar. It dipped below 3,000 and went back down to 29,28. So yeah, but we have a few other levels to watch for Ethereum. 2,800 and also 2,500 US dollar level, 2,600 US dollar level, 2,600 US dollar levels to watch. So guys, nothing good. There is no clear trades to make, so I don't make any trades, and also I don't suggest to make any trades because the market is really choppy right now. And if also Link is moving nicely, if Link is dropping to the trend line, that I consider to buy up some Link, but holding my stop loss below this trend line. Now I was able to buy in some Link here, so definitely I will watch out to buy more. But you know, guys, if you are just starting to accumulating Bitcoin and crypto for a long term, that I think it's a good opportunity. But for doing trades, you should be very cautious. So guys, this is for today. Please smash those like, push the bell, notification, or visit our farms, and let's join our channel. We will come out some nice juicy NFT secret projects very soon. So definitely follow CorionX on all the social media. Was great to have you here. Please smash those like, push the bell, and subscribe to the channel. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.